For the materials you will be needing: fitted sheet, needle and thread, tape measure, 1-inch elastic, and pair of scissors. Here is my guide for the measurements. These are just estimates, so you can actually adjust with depending on your bed sheet and your mattress. Some mattresses and bed sheets are deep, so you will have to adjust your measurements accordingly. So in this example and estimates, if your twin is this size 38 by 70 by 9-inch deep, your measurements will be 6 inches by 6 inches and your elastic will be 8 inches. So this is just a guide for you. Ultimately, it will depend upon your mattress and your bed sheet. So now we will work on the corner of the bed sheet. On each side of the corner of the bed sheet, we will measure 6 inches. And then you have to stretch the bed sheet because there's elastic on there. So you stretch it and measure 6 inches. In my case, I'll be using 6 inches. So do that on both sides and starting from the corner where there's a seam. For this particular bed sheet, I will be using 8-inch elastic. When you attach the elastic, attach it at an angle. Flip it over and sew the elastic starting from the bottom. Then sew the top of the sheet to the elastic. You can stretch the bed sheet while you are sewing if you prefer. Now let's reinforce the stitches by sewing the top edge of the sheet onto the elastic. You can put elastic on all 4 corners of the bed sheet. Or if you prefer, you can put elastic on only 3 corners of the bed sheet and leaving 1 corner without the elastic. That way it would be easier for you to put the bed sheet on the bed. If it is too tight, you can just do 3 elastic on 3 corners. But if it's not too tight, you can do all 4 corners. So I put the elastic on only 3 corners. So here's 1, 2, and on the other side, I only just did 1 corner. So, and I did do this corner so that it would not be hard to put it in, so I won't struggle putting it on the bed. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is when you put it on the bed, you're going to start with this side here where it has the 2 elastic, and the one that has no elastic right here, this would be the last one. But when you take it out of the bed, the first thing you want to pull out is the one that has no elastic. Okay, so it would be the reverse. So we're going to start putting it on this side where there's the 2 elastic, and usually I put this side on the top part where your head is, because that's where your upper body always move a lot, and the one on the bottom that only has one side with elastic. Okay. If you learned something from this video, please click like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for supporting my channel.